I wish I had more packages to make my haul look bigger. What the hell are you saying, Candy? You're 40 years old. Damn it. Hey guys, hey, it's Candy. I'm back with another nail haul. Please, don't attack me. I put this sound in there, but okay. Today, we are repping Dynamic Nail Supply. Your girl went, they had a sale, and I racked up. I got a bunch of stuff for less than $100, and I'm here to show you it, okay? Are you ready? Look, my nails, they're clearly trash. My nails are trash. They are shot. It's a crime scene. Now pay attention. I'm going to be dropping all the pricing, all the info on the screen. Y'all know how I do my voiceovers. I ordered this stuff on Friday. I had it by Monday. Okay? I did not pay for first class shipping or anything like that. Regular shipping. I am so ready to open this box. I cannot tell you. Let's get into it. But first, my real name is Candy, so I want to show you some of my favorite candy. I love gummies. I used to live in Germany. I am a Haribo girl. Like, there's no other brand of gummies. Get into you some Haribo. When you're filming, you need a little snack. This is what I was snacking on while I was opening these boxes. Get you some today. Let me know what your favorite candy is in the chat. Let me know. Let's get started. Finally, well, it's the nails again. These nails are trash. These nails are trash, girl. Whoa, is this a nail channel? Is this a nail channel? Because, girl, these nails, sheesh. All of the foils that I'm going to be showing you were $2. $2 each at Dynamic Nail Supply. They're having a sale. Go over there and check them out. The sale, as of today, is still going on. Look at these. How beautiful are these? I am a freak for gold. I love gold. Now, I am normally a clear or clear pink type of girl when it comes to acrylic, but I wanted to try something new, and they had a nude collection. So I got 3 that were different from my normal wheelhouse so I can try them. I'm going to be doing a swatch test later. Hello, content. You won't be getting it here. You won't be getting it here, baby. I'm getting all the content I can out this box, and what you will do is tune back in. If you want to see how these colors turned out, these were $8 on sale. I'm going to be putting the pricing up in the future. Just pay attention. Just pay attention. Like that. I got the shades 152 Nude and 180. You can kind of see it here. There's like a pink tone, a brown tone, and a peachy tone. So very, very different from what I normally use. I'm really excited about that 152 because it's like a brown. So I'm scared, but I'm ready. I'm scared, but I'm ready. All 3 of these were on sale, 2 ounces. Check them out. Dynamic Nail Supply. Y'all like my little ASMR? Did it get your attention? Focus, get back on the screen, okay? My voiceover ain't gonna have nothing to do with the subject, so you're gonna have to pay attention. Box number 2, ordered it the same day. It came the same day. I had a little fear of missing out, placed 2 orders, and paid twice for shipping. Don't be like me, okay? That was not a super saver moment. These are so freaking stunning. I kind of don't want to show y'all because y'all gonna go order them all. I'm gonna order a few more just in case. 2 freaking bucks. Beautiful, beautiful. Clearly I love gold. Clearly I love gold. All right? Watch my video and mind your business. All right, clearly I need rehab. My initials are actually CC, so I had to have these. It's Claws by Candy, Candy Creek, and look at this. I'll tell you how much they are later. Pay attention. Pay attention. Now, I believe in using complete systems. If a monomer goes with a certain powder, I buy that because it affects the outcome of your nails. You know, some monomers are MMA, some are non-MMA, and it makes a difference. So when I'm testing a product, I use the actual system. I don't like to mix, so I can give it a fair shot and a fair review. Use the products that match the products, please. Help me, Jesus. All right. This glitter is so freaking gorgeous. I can't wait to swatch it for you. I'm going to show you the price of these later. You better pay attention. They're so freaking cute. Okay, girl, how long you going to show us? It's green. It's green glitter. It's enough. Jesus. Put it away. I don't know. It's green. It's green. This one red. More glitter for you. I like shiny things. If it's shiny, I am staring at it, okay? And this is shiny. Real quick, I made a light box. I hope y'all can see the difference in showing off my products. I swear it looks like I got a different camera. I made it with my Dollar Tree haul stuff. Try it. Here is everything. Let's go through. Let's talk about some prices. Let's talk about what I love. All of it. All of it. I really love their packaging. I was going to try another brand, but I didn't like their packaging and I didn't want it on my shelf. It's too much. It's too busy. I like classic muted packaging. I won't buy your product if it's in a crazy color. You can keep it. You can keep it. I'm petty. What is that? Jesus, here she goes again with this glitter. Oh, put it away, lady. Put it away. Nah, seriously, this combination got... Oh, Jesus Christ, her and this... Oh my God, someone call the police if she shows the glitter. One more time. One more time. One more time. All right, guys, this is the entire haul for what I spent. I feel like I got an excellent deal and a great haul. I want to thank y'all so much for watching. Stay tuned. The next video is swatches. Bye.